Amaqela ezopolitiko ashiyekelwe zinyanga ezintandathu kuba zilungiselele unyulo loomasipala nokulindeleke kuba lube nzima kakhulu. Umongameli weli umnumzana Cyril Ramaphosa ubhengeze kuba ulunyulo loomasipala liza kubanjwa ngomhla wamashumi amabini anesixhenxe kuOctober kulo nyaka. Ezi sibhengezo sigalele amanzi ingcamango ye-EFF yokuba ulunyulo loomasipala lunqunyanyiswe ukanti awuqini umnqwazi we-UDM ngesi sibhengezo.
It was surprising in the first instance, in that at 9 o'clock, the IEC had invited all political party leaders represented in Parliament to consult with us on the advisability of conducting municipal elections this year.
Amanye amaqela ezopolitiko asamkele esi sibhengezo.
The African National Congress is ready for the upcoming local government elections. We have been on the ground even now with by-elections. We have again once more had a good showing and must thank the various communities in the 14 by-elections where the African National Congress contested.
It is important that South African citizens are given the opportunity to exercise their constitutional right to go and elect members and public representatives who will be directly accountable to them.
I stated out that the IFP is ready for the local government elections 2021. We had known the year long ago. Yes, COVID-19 created some challenges, but we are coping.
Political parties can now prepare themselves better to ensure that we have a free and fair election.
We were opposing as a party the adjournment or early adjournment of these elections. It's a high time we kick out all corrupt officials in local government.
We have said that we will oppose any attempt to postpone these elections. We have said that COVID-19 must not be used as an excuse.
We'll ensure that our meetings, rallies, and events do not become super spreader events for the pandemic.
If we are to fix South Africa, a good time and a good place to start is with the local government elections.
Ultramar welcomes President Cyril Ramaphosa's announcement of the date of 27th October 2021 for the local elections.
Kusenjalo kunyulo lovalo zikhiwo KwaZulu-Natal nangona i-ANC ixuthe isihlalo kwi-DA kunye nakwe-IFP kodwa la maqela amabini akwazile ukuzigcina izihlalo ezimbini nangona i-EFF khange ifumane wadi kodwa ibonakalisa ukukhula kodwa umbuzo ngoku wokuba ingabe iziphumo zonyulo lovalo zikhiwo zibonakalisa iziphumo zonyulo lomasipala ngo-October kusini na.
From these results, it's difficult to project into the October LGE, but there are signs that the EFF has improved its performance. They're ticking up in various parts of the country, especially in KZN in absolute numbers.
I-IEC ithi ixolile indlela esingathe ngalo lunyulo lovalo zikhiwo.